Hello everyone, my name is Fernando de Aquino and I am a technical consulting engineer for the enterprise LAN switching team here at Cisco. In my last video, I showed you how to configure and verify a rep routing segment on 4 Catalyst 9K switches connected on a closed segment, where the interface primary edge and secondary edge are declared on the switch 1 and the other connected interface belongs to segment 1. Today, I will guide you through configuring rep VLAN load balancing using the same topology. This uses segment 1 on this network. You can verify the topology for this segment by entering the command show rep topology. For demonstration purposes, 5 VLANs were created, VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, and they are propagated through the other switches via BTP. Without VLAN load balancing, flow data for all VLANs look like this on the rep segment. But for optimal bandwidth usage in the ring, Cisco rep can load balance traffic across the segment. VLANs can be grouped into two instances. The first set of VLANs is blocked at the primary edge port, and the second set can be blocked at an alternate predefined location. To perform this, on switch 1, enter into the configuration of the primary edge interface 20101 and issue the next rep block port. Here, you need to identify the rep alternate port in one of three ways: neighbor offset, ID, or prefer. In this example, offset value is 4 for interface 2105 on switch 3. This value is determined with the neighbor number on the output of this command. Show rep topology segment 1 detail. Notice that the value is 4, but it is also possible that the value -5 could be used. Once the port is selected, define the VLANs to be blocked. You can select a range of VLANs or you can block all of them. For example, block VLAN 10 and 30 by typing this: rep block port 4 VLAN 10 and 30. Now navigate to switch 3 and verify the interface that you defined to block the VLANs. Issue the command show interface 20105 rep detail. As you can see in the blocked VLANs, the value is empty. This is because VLAN load balancing needs to be triggered manually or automatically. Take a look on both configurations. Return to switch 1. Before triggering manually, review the topology again. Show rep topology. Now, trigger the load balance on the segment 1 by typing rep preempt segment 1. Keep in mind that this causes a quick traffic disruption. Once the topology has reconverged, verify it. Show rep topology segment 1. Now there are two alternate ports when VLAN load balancing is configured and activated. In this case, 2101 and 2105. VLAN 10 and 30 is blocked on the alternate port 2105, and the remaining VLANs are blocked on the primary edge port 2101. To verify this, on switch 1, issue the command show interface 20101 rep detail. This interface is the primary edge, so the blocked VLANs are the remaining ones. In the section Configure Load Balance block, you can see the port that you define by the offset and the VLANs that are blocked on that port. Verify this on switch 3. Show interface 20105 rep detail. This is the alternate interface you define. Blocked VLANs are 10 and 30. It is also possible to trigger VLAN load balancing when there is a link failure or a change in the network. On the primary edge port of switch 1, interface 20101, issue this command: rep preempt delay and the seconds, in this case 15. So once there is a link failure, VLAN load balancing is enabled after 15 seconds. Using the previous rep topology, show rep topology segment 1. Now simulate a link failure by shot no shot interface 20101 on switch 3. To verify the failure on switch 1, issue the command show rep topology. After 15 seconds, you see this. This is the same you get when triggering VLAN load balancing manually. This is the data flow for this topology. If you ping from a device connected on VLAN 10 on switch 4 with IP 10.10.10.2 to the IP 10.10.10.3, the IACMP request goes through the interface 2103 due to port 2101 on switch 3 blocking data from VLAN 10. If you use another device connected to another port on switch 4, but for VLAN 20 with IP 20.20.20.2 and ping to 20.20.20.3, the IACMP request goes through the interface 2101 as there is no restriction for that VLAN on the interface directly connected. And when a link failure occurs in the segment, both blocking ports become open and all VLANs are permitted so that there is no disruption on the traffic. And that is how to set up rep VLAN load balancing with Cisco 9K series switches. Keep an eye out for more networking tips coming your way soon. Thank you so much for watching.